Hello lovely people, I welcome you back to another lesson of our AI video creation and content creation training. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create advertising video for your program or for your business. Okay, so if you want to create an advertising video, the first thing you need to do is you need to get the detailed description of the kind of business or the kind of video you want to create. So I have developed a prompt or a description how you need to go about your prompt creation. So we go to ChatGPT. I already have the prompt here, so let me open it for you to see. Okay, so this is the prompt that I first gave to my ChatGPT. So it says, write a prompt to create a text to video ad for an online training. So in my case, I'm using it for an online training on AI video and viral content creation. So that is the purpose of my video. I want to create a video for my training on online training on AI video creation and viral content creation. Okay, so that is my video. So you can also change yours. You can also make it like an ad for a supermarket or an ad for, let's say, a school. So it depends on the kind of advert that you want to create. So mine is about training, so I'll give that description at the first stage. So the next stage is you need to give the detailed description of the company or the institution. So my institution is JOHRUT Academy. So yours, you may change the institution, the company name, or if you want to use a person's name, you can just use it. Then the purpose, that is what I said earlier, is about training. So you need to state the purpose of the advertising video or the purpose of the video. Okay, or the purpose or the content. Maybe the video is about enrollment, admission, can be promotional adverts, can be church crusade adverts, any other advert that you want to do, you state it at the purpose. Then you can add your call to action, that is the contact, or maybe if you have email or website that you want to the viewer to contact, you can also add that one too. And you can also add the registration. Because it's training, the registration should come, but it may be a case whereby you are not using it for registration. It's not an online training. Maybe it's a supermarket that you want to make an advert for. So you make sure you list the services that you do. Maybe you offer you sell fruits, you sell vegetables, you sell groceries, cosmetics. So the kind of business that you do, you can state it in the description. So after all the details come, then you come to the next section. It says these are the details for my online training advert. So you need to also change that, so you can say this is the detail for my supermarket advert. So something like that. So you tell ChatGPT to write a prompt that fits perfectly. That fits perfectly, yes. Then you also need to make sure you have a presenter, the person who will be talking in the video. So you give the description of the person. It says the person or the person should be a Ghanaian man. So you can change it to any country that you like. You can use a Nigerian man, you can use a British man, you can use a woman also. Anyhow you want the presenter to be, you can just give the description. So a Ghanaian man in his early 20s, you can change that one to dress. Then you check the dress. So dress in the blue polo shirt with jeans should be the presenter. So that person should be the presenter. So just state that one in the prompt. Then you also check that GPT to break the video into pieces, because if you ignore this part, it will just give you just full prompt for just one video. So because you want it to be a little bit longer, because if you want to create AI videos, the highest one can give you 10. Basically the one with 10 seconds, they are paid ones. So the free ones, the highest can be 8. and probably 6. So 8 is for VO3, then 6 for Grok AI. Okay, so you need to make sure you break the scenes, the video into scenes. So you tell ChatGPT to break the scenes, the video into scenes, and add voice lip sync. That is the words that the presenter will be saying. So you need to add voice lip sync script for each scene. So you can also tell ChatGPT you can also tell ChatGPT the platform where you are going to use to generate your ads. So I'll be using Grok AI. So if you want to use, if you be using VO3, that means you can also enter it at this session here, and you're good to go. Then the last thing is the camera direction. You need to add a camera direction. So add cinematic camera direction. So the lens type and then the angle. So just add it like that. Then you hit on enter, and it will generate this prompt for you. So this is the prompt. You can see we have the master prompt. So this master prompt gives the description of the character and probably the scene, the mood, or how the scene should look like. Okay, so you can read through, and then there's a need for changes, you can just change it. So you can see that you have the first prompt. It gives you the visual prompt, like the video prompt, and then gives you the camera directions, and then the lip sync dialogue. So this is scene 2. So I think it gives us 5 scenes, of which we are going to develop them into a full video. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to first of all copy the master prompt. So you see, it gives you master prompt, then it instructed you to apply to all scenes, so that you have a consistent character. That means you need to have a consistent character. If you just want to have a consistent character, you need to add this prompt. So this prompt will be the master prompt. So it will be in all the scenes. So let's start with scene 1. So let's go to Grok AI, grok.com, and then log in. Okay, so after signing in to Grok AI, you go to Imagine as usual, and then you change this session to video, but you need to change this one to the aspect ratio to 16:9, and then you change this one to video. Okay, so we go to our ChatGPT, and then we copy this master prompt. So copy this prompt, and then you come and then paste it here. Okay, so if you're using your phone, your computer, you just click on Shift plus enter, then it will send you to the next slide. Then you go to the scene 1, and then you copy the whole thing, the visual prompt, the camera, and then the lip sync. So you copy everything from here. So that will be your scene 1. Then you come to Grok AI, and then you paste it below the master prompt, then hit on generate. Okay, so you wait for some few seconds, your first scene will be ready. So our first scene is ready. So let's preview it and see how it works.
Do you want to create AI videos that go viral and actually make people stop scrolling?
Okay, so we have our first scene here. So we just download it into our system. So we are now going to generate our second scene. Now we want to have a consistent character irrespective of the prompt given to us. If we try to use the prompt to create or to generate the next scene, we're going to get a different character. But I want to have a consistent character, and then the flow should to also be consistent. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to go to where we downloaded the video. So you go to downloads and then get the video. You open it in any player. So basically I'm using VLC. So if you're using your phone, that means you can use you can take a screenshot of the video. So just take a screenshot of the video screen. So I'll take a screenshot of it. When taking a screenshot, make sure it is at the last scene. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot, just go to snipping tool. As when you are using your computer, just go to snipping tool. You search for snipping tool on the search button. Okay, so you click on new and then you select the area, but as I said, you make sure that it is at the last scene. Okay, so you just save it. Then we go back to our Grok AI. Let's come back here, and then at this icon here, this paperclip icon, just click on it, and we upload the image, that the screenshot that we just took. Then you come back to your prompt, your AI, your ChatGPT. Then you come and then copy the scene 2 visual, and then everything here. Just come here and copy it. Then you go back to Grok AI. Then you paste the prompt there. Then you generate. So it will continue from where the first scene ends. Okay, so the video is ready. So let's preview it and see.
I'm inviting you to join JOHRUT Academy's online training in AI video and viral content creation.
You can see that. So we have another video here. Okay, so if you want to continue from this scene, you can just do it, but let's download this one here. Okay, so we are done with scene 2. So after generating the scene 2, you come back again, and then you come and then you copy the master prompt here. Since we are not making reference to the other image, you need to make sure the master prompt is selected so that you still get at least a Ghanaian feel, a Ghanaian character in it. So let's copy it and then you come and then paste it here. Then you go back and then copy the scene 3 prompt, and then you then come again and then you paste it below the master prompt, and then you generate the scene 3. So that is the same way we are going to do for scene 4 and scene 5. Okay, so I will pause the video and then generate for scene 4 and scene 5. Then I'll come back and then we'll continue from there. So let's wait for scene 3 to finish the generation. Then we pause and then come back and continue with the rest after the scene 4 and 5 is fully generated. Okay, so our 5 scene video is now ready. So let me preview the scene 4
Registration
and 5.
is
So this is
ongoing
scene
right
4
now and spaces are
you can
limited.
see.
Don't miss this opportunity.
Then this is scene 5.
Contact 024-051-9088 and join the training to do it.
All right, so this is the 5 scene video I've created. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to combine all the 5 scenes into one video. So we are going to use CapCut, or as I said, you can use any video editor of your choice. You can use CapCut, you can use Camtasia. So CapCut is mostly common when you're using it on a phone. So I'll open CapCut and then go to create project. So I'm going to load all the 5 scenes here. Okay, so now we have our videos here. So just click on the plus icon here or you can just click and drag the various clips to the timeline here. Okay, so now it's left with us to arrange them. So I've arranged them. So let me just preview it a bit for us to see if we have done the arrangement correctly. So you can see that the video is now okay, but the transitions are not smooth. So this is what we're going to do. Let's go to transitions on CapCut. and then you're going to get so many transitions. Mostly some of them are paid. You also have the free ones there, so you go through it and then you get the one which is okay for you. Okay, so let me use this one. So you can just click and then you drag it to where you want to place it. So you can just reduce the length of it, and then you come to this section, you click on apply all, so that the transition will be applied to all the scenes. So you can reduce the duration or increase the duration, so it's based on how you want it to be. So if you want to get more knowledge on CapCut, you can join my video editing course. CapCut video editing course, a full course. So you can just contact me for the price and then you enroll. Okay, so now I've added the transition effects, and so let's view it and see how our video will now look like after the transition.
Do you want to create AI videos that go viral and actually make people stop scrolling? I'm inviting you to join JOHRUT Academy's online training in AI video and viral content creation. You'll learn how to create high-quality videos fast, grow your audience, and stand out online. Registration is ongoing right now, and spaces are limited. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact 024-051-9088 and join the training to do it.
Now our video is now ready. You can see that the transitions, you can just go through the transition and see the one that you can equally use different transitions for each scene. So let me try and then add a different transition to one of the scenes and see the effects. So you can add a transition here, and then let's preview it and see.
And viral content creation.
It depends on how you want the video to be. You can just add a transition and you're good to go. So after that, you just click export. Then you name your video, let's say training advert. Then you select the location where you want to save your work. So I want to save it on my desktop. So let me go to my desktop and then just select the folder and then you save it there. So just after everything, you just click on export, then it will.
Do you want to create AI videos that go viral?
So you see your video is saved on your desktop, so you can now share. Okay, so let's go to our desktop and see our video, and then okay, so the video is here. So let's preview it and see. Powerful.
Do you want to create AI videos that go viral and actually make people stop scrolling? I'm inviting you to join JOHRUT Academy's online training in AI video and viral content creation. You'll learn how to create high-quality videos fast, grow your audience, and stand out online. Registration is ongoing right now, and spaces are limited. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact 024-051-9088 and join the training to do it.
Okay, so this is the video. Thank you for having this time. I'll end the lesson here and you're going to meet in another lesson. Thank you and bye-bye.